The selection of the students for this program is not necessarily based on academic prowess, but on their talents and passion. Although Isiolo is the first county to benefit from this program, KFCB hopes to roll out such trainings across the country or across all counties in the country, of course working with the Kenya School of Government, which has the infrastructure and the campuses across the country to be able to undertake this important program. The program will also mentor the youth to be responsible and avoid the temptation of getting into crimes such as illegal drugs, radicalization, and many other ills that afflict our youth today when they are idle. We are therefore delighted to launch this training curriculum as part of our post-COVID-19 business plan, collaboration and engagement with the Kenya School of Government and the county governments across the country. This sector of the media and the creative economy is now digital or digitally driven. And there's more market there when you can put your song in YouTube, when you can put your content on YouTube and be able to share with millions of consumers across the world.
Once this curriculum is developed, it is not the curriculum for Kenya. With your permission, sir, we shall have it also enjoyed by other sons and daughters of Africa. And charity begins home. We shall first develop our people. We shall also test run it here, and we shall have a replication elsewhere once that is done. The champions who will be developed soon after through a training of trainers program will also be the same people, and they are not foreigners. They are the staff of KFCB. They are the staff of the Kenya School of Government. They are the same people who we also train regionally, so that the message is also shared that Africa should not be reduced to ashes and we remain there. We stand up, wipe ourselves, and start walking.